guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. I got this in the shade, oh my god, Kunafa. How would you pronounce this, babe? Kunafa, whatever that is. Kunafa. And yeah, I decided to get I was going to get another colour as well, but I thought let me just be realistic and just buy the colour that I know I would use. I really like the fact that she had loads of shades. It wasn't just one shade, so I thought it would be nice to try this shade out because it's like kind of like a yellow undertone, and the colour kind of reminds me of my Sacha Buttercup, the colour of it, if that makes sense. So yeah, I wanted to review it for you. So it comes in this box like this, and it just basically explains that it says baking made easy, and it just tells you how to apply it and all that blah 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 blah. And I really like the packaging, it's cute. And it comes in this really nice box here. It's quite pristine, if I'm honest with you. So yeah, it says Huda Beauty on the top, and the smell is really nice. It comes with like some lid. If I can get the lid off. It comes with like this lid. And I really like the smell of it. The smell of it is really nice, but yeah. So basically, I used this setting powder this morning before I went to work. So I was getting ready for work at, what time did I wake up? I woke up at 5 o'clock. So I didn't wake up at 5 o'clock. So at 5:30. And what time is it now?
20 to 5.
20 to 5. So basically, let's just say I've had I've been wearing the makeup for 12 hours. Let's say 12 hours. So I thought, let me try it in the morning and see how the setting powder did throughout the day. And obviously, because I work in a bakery, I'm running around, I'm a little bit hot, and the weather outside is hot as well. So I thought, let's see how it goes. So this is what my face looks like. I am a little bit oily, but I feel like it's like not bad oily, it's like dewy kind of, you know what I mean? Like I could still go out and take pictures and I'll be fine. So I do feel like it has set my face really, really nicely, and my makeup hasn't moved. I don't really have smile lines. My smile lines are fine, like, oh I do, something just a little bit here. But I think it's really, really good, and the fact that I haven't touched up my makeup, I feel like that is really good. But yeah, I'm gonna apply it for you. Basically, on the powder, there's like a kind of like, this net bit that you apply it to, and I kind of like it because it means that you don't get too much, like, not too much powder comes out. Because one thing I hate about some setting powders is that either the actual container, you can't use the container to pour it out, or you just put too much basically. But I like the fact that there's a sponge. So if you can see, it kind of comes out nice and evenly. But yeah, I'm going to try it on, I'm going to put it on my face so you guys can see the colour and all that jazz. Down on me, 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 love rain down on me, 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 love rain down on me, 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 love rain down on me, down on me, down on me. Okay, so this is what it looks like the colour on me. I really like this colour because, as again, like I said to you before, it reminds me of my Sacha Buttercup, and I really like Sacha Buttercup and the colour of it. And this is a really nice shade. So if you are my skin tone, Kunafa would be a really nice choice for you. I don't really know how to use, like, I really want to get a darker shade because that would be a nice all-round, like, setting powder for your whole face, but I thought I'll try it out first. The one thing I will say is that it's really, really smooth, and it makes your skin look really, really flawless and smooth. And I think I like it. I think it's a really nice setting powder, and the fact that I didn't have to like retouch my makeup during the day after working, I think that is really, really good. So I'll definitely recommend it for you guys to try on. I am gonna like brush it off and see what it looks like after, because you know sometimes you do get some setting powders that when you try to brush it off after, it just looks cakey and a mess. But we gonna see again. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I brushed it off, and I really like it. Like, it doesn't stay cakey in my face, and I like the colour that it has. Like, I feel like it looks nice, and the fact that this is old makeup with setting powder beforehand, and I'm putting setting powder on top of it, and it doesn't look cakey, for me that's really, really good. That there's been times that I've gone to work and I want to go out again, and I've tried to like just touch on my makeup with setting powder, and it's just been a fail, and I've had to wash it off. So with this, I really, really like it. I feel like, why not give it a try? There is quite a few shades, and I do like her product, so I don't know why. If you have the money for it, then give it a try, to be honest, because I do like it. I thought I'll just give you guys a little review on it, because if you were interested in buying it and you thought, should I get it or not, I definitely would say give it a try, because I do like the way it looks and all that jazz. I really hope this was helpful and somewhat interesting, you know. I don't want to be blubbering on for too long. But are you recording me, you fucking shit?
I'm not.
Oh. He's got his camera facing me and I'm just thinking to myself, whatever. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing. And be active on my channel, because I'll be doing a giveaway very soon. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. 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 Bye.